how-to series on Foodie Nation.
Hey everybody, it's Khary and
Tiff.
and it's the how-to series on Foodie Nation. And today, what are we doing, Tiff?
Tannia Accra. If you never knew, now you know. Right, so now, Tannia Accra.
Tannia Accra.
Have you ever?
Not in my life.
That is actually crazy.
No, like, I mean, I grew up in the country.
And you never hear about this?
No. I know about Tania, but I know about the Tania leaf because that's the next long story for next time. But,
right.
But the root, I never knew.
Yeah, so Tania, it looks like Edo's, but the shape is different. Each provision has their own shape.
Right.
So this is just a little class on Tania. And what else could you tell me about Tania that you know?
Well, that I know of, again, from the top of it, it looks kind of like dasheen bush.
Right.
You know, and it could be mistaken. And they cook the dasheen, the Tania leaves the same way.
Right. I actually never knew that.
Yeah.
But they're a Grand Provision family, and I mean, it's seasonal, but we got some good ones today. So, growing up, this was Granny's recipe. It was just like a Sunday special. It used to accompany Sunday lunch. Right. So, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and peel this. You can show them how you peel it.
All right, so
I know we use a vegetable peeler, but you know, old school is knife and you're peeling it. So, yeah, but the vegetable peeler does an incredible job. Yeah,
and one thing I learned too, if you peel it under like running water, it makes your life a lot easier and it doesn't oxidize. So, I'll just continue here with
You do that? The salary grater that nobody does use, you're using it for this one. This is how my granny did it. This is how I grew up seeing it.
No, it's true though. I never see anybody using that salary grater.
No, I said, hold on. I call my mommy to make sure. I say, mommy, you sure, boy? She's like, she and all start to laugh. When I say the salary grater nobody uses, I would see granny doing this, no idea. Now, the first time I had Tannia Accra, they didn't tell me what it was. I just saw this little fried golden brown goodness, and I say, oh, what's that? And they say, yeah, try it now. Because they know you're young, you're small, and you're growing up. When you hear funny things, like how you spoke about the liver last time.
Right.
You were like, I ain't eating that at 7. So I tried it, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is this? And then my granny told me, well, it's Tania, and then she explained to me. So the next time now I see her making it, she grating it up, and well, you see how, you could come in for a close-up, you see how it's a kind of, it's gooey, it has a kind of sticky consistency. But it's white and it comes out like that. So it's pretty easy. It's easier than it looks. So yeah, so Granny would mix this up and we'll go through the recipe and you'll see. Now, I judge it up a little bit because, you know, but basing it off of Granny's own. And then we will just fry shallow oil. Once the bottom gets golden brown, you flip it, and that's it. And it's quick and easy. And it tastes so good. So I'm excited that you've never had this before, so I'm real excited for you to try it.
No, it's a first for me, so, you know, like, lead the way. Looking forward to that, and you could show me, again, another one of Granny's secrets.
Come on, now, this one is it for sure.
Just pat this one dry as a soy.
Yeah, so it's easier to hold, okay? You don't want to, you see how slimy it gets, say? You don't want to slip and grate your finger.
Oh, no, I have tried that before. It's not fun, trust me.
No, it's not fun at all. Right now, I'm watching here to make sure. So I will finish this one up here, and then you will take over.
I feel like it's a repeat of, you know, you're passing off you work on me today. Hey. But it's all right. No, I'm happy to do it because I'm learning something.
Come on, so you know, how else you going to learn?
You know, good looking out.
Come on, I got you. Scoop this out now. So there will be some oxidization, so the color will change, but don't worry about that because it's going to mix up and fry.
Nice. And in the meantime, I guess I could try my hand at it.
Oh, for sure, definitely. So you see, you just give it a little mix up.
So this is new to me.
And you see the consistency? Now, you know, typical Accra, go ahead. You tend to use egg and flour in it. But when we see how this goes, when I add everything, then I would see how I feel. If I want to add the egg, the flour, or whatever. All right, Speedy. You see, you get the technique. You get the technique for sure.
But I'm also not trying to grate my hands too because this thing is playing like it wants to slip now.
Come on. So in the meantime, we could zoom in, we could show them. So I'm going to add some green seasoning, some fermented pimento sauce, garlic powder, some salt. We're actually also going to grate some fresh garlic. We're going to add some onion powder and some black pepper. And as I said, we have the egg and the flour on standby. Well, you see the knob? Yeah, don't even fight. You see how you done start a fight up there?
Yeah.
If you get some more, well, big up you.
All right, I think I'll play
it
safe.
Yeah. So you just use the spoon and you scrape up.
Because it's really not worth grating your knuckles and, and stuff for a little end of the thing there.
And then I'll just, grab this here. And then on the normal side. that we are custom using. Perfect. You
Yeah,
can
the
go
rest
ahead
from
and
the inside.
we'll grate one clove and see how that looks inside there.
So I grate it straight in this.
Yeah, one time, everything.
Tannia,
Yeah,
okay,
one
nice.
time going in. Yeah.
All right,
It's
nice.
our one mixing. Yeah, we're on this side
Right,
here.
on this side, okay.
And
Good.
you could go ahead and grate. Whoop! That's all right. He going in there anyway.
Yeah, the garlic rushing the scene there.
I might want to do two.
I feel so.
I like
I
that.
feel
Yeah, I like garlic. So yeah. I like that vibe. You're on the same vibe. Yeah, that's actually looking just right.
You know, I love the fact that you break out into song randomly.
No, I do. Yeah, that's how the kitchen does that.
All you.
We're gonna go in with a little bit here. We eyeball in. So a heaping tablespoon. The pimento sauce. I'll give you 1.5 of that. I like how that looking.
I like how it's smelling.
Right? All right. Salt. Got some garlic powder.
So fresh garlic and garlic powder.
Yeah, man. Hitting it from both sides. Onion. Black pepper. Love that.
So
Yeah, and
look
give
at
it
me
a-
mixing this as if I ever made this before.
Yeah, well, you're learning. And we give it a nice mix up. I wonder for salt, but anyhow. Now, the only thing with this is, you see, it's just vibes. We go in. Now, also, another thing. Most of granny recipes is just off the top of my head. I have no measurements. So, of course, this is just me remembering, like, okay, this is how it looking like. And also, watching how much I'm doing, I
Right.
will base the maths off of that.
Right.
You know, kind of
So
eyeball it.
essentially, pour until the ancestors say stop.
Literally. Oh, this is looking so good. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, and then the kind
And
of
it
red
smells-
tinge that the pimento.
It gave. Oh, y'all.
Yeah, okay.
So, and this is actually ready. How you feel? Do you think, knowing how Accra and just basing it off of you, going
Right.
it in the pot, I think this is good as is.
Okay.
I don't think I need to add the egg at all.
No, I think it definitely doesn't need egg.
And-
if
and-
anything, I was going to ask you if you think we should add a little bit of flour,
Flour,
to
I was
absorb
thinking
some
that
moisture.
just a smidgen. We'll do a little bit and see.
And just to see the
Just to,
consistency.
yeah. I mean, well, of course, this will also help bring it together, and it will help while it's frying to keep it together as well.
Yeah, so we're going again. You are the.
I know.
lead
No,
here.
this is how it looks, and then you
Yeah?
just put it in and you fry.
Oh, I can't wait then. Like this.
It
No, you're
easy.
right. You're right. It's really easy.
It's really easy.
Yeah.
The hardest part was the grating, and that one all wasn't crazy.
I know you know what that side of the grater for.
To make
to make
Tannia
Tannia
Accra.
Accra.
Alone. All right, so we're gonna head across to the stove and get the oil ready to fry. All right, so we're ready to fry. The oil is nice and hot. So basically, spoon fry, and you're just gonna drop
All
it
right.
in.
All right. Oh yeah, that oil.
And that easy. And this is literally how it goes. So this is where they take the shape. So Khary, you can go ahead.
All right, my turn.
Yeah, your turn to
Alright.
try. And honestly, we just waiting to
So let me be clear, right? There's a good amount.
you can do a
Over
little
here?
more.
A
Yeah.
little more?
You see, yeah. And
Yeah?
just drop them in, and just spoon them out. Beautiful. Yeah, so we let them fry. So we just wait to see that the edges and underneath get golden brown, and then you
Right.
flip it.
Yeah.
And then you just wait for the other side. Same thing to cook and get some color.
All right.
And then that's it. Yeah, you keep dropping them, man. You have room in the pot.
So I could go brave then.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, fill up all around and then drop one in the
In
middle.
the middle, what you mean?
Come on. But now I love this pimento sauce, really giving it a little extra. Can't wait to taste it.
This one
This
here is
one
getting some
here?
color. The
Come
first
on,
one.
so you could try and see with the tongues and see.
Yeah, it's ready.
Come on, and we give her a flip.
Yeah, hold on. It's giving me a little trouble. All right, I
Take your
Right,
time.
that's what we're
Oh my
talking
God, yes, we have Tannia Accra, guys. Yes.
about. This, wow.
Granny would be proud. Oh, y'all have no idea. I have not had this in like 10 plus years.
Serious?
Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy.
I'm just
Come
happy
on,
to learn.
looking. That was Tania. Yes, y'all. Look how, ooh.
So I realized what you told me was that, what I observed when the edges were brown,
You flip.
yeah.
Correct, yeah. You
So-
see this one? Well, a little thing again.
Yeah.
Nice golden brown. Oh. You could try with dashing and thing and see, hey, grate it and see if you make Accra, how it will come out. Because you could literally make Accra out of anything.
Now I thinking off the bat, sweet
Ooh.
potato.
Just before you forget the oil,
Right,
high heat at first.
right. To
To
get
get
it
it hot,
get it
and
up
then
to
we
temperature.
low temperature to fry. So
Okay.
of course, again, as I say, this was a Sunday lunch thing, so there's other pots on the stove and stuff like that
right,
to
right.
watch. So you didn't want it to burn, but you could go ahead and flip this one here now.
All right, I feel
Yeah,
feel
man.
so.
All of them could sing now. You see that golden brown? We're gonna finish up frying and we'll be back when they're finished. All right, so Khary, moment of truth.
It is the moment of truth. I'm really excited about it.
No,
So
I
don't
know.
about you.
Okay, I want you to taste it first before me.
Well, this is a first time,
First time.
ever.
All right, I lie. I will take. Go ahead. You grab yours and then I will grab
I
mine.
will just grab this one closest to me here.
All right, cool.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ah, all right. Tannia
right.
Accra, y'all. 10 plus years.
Oh my God.
Y'all getting that crunch though?
Wow. It's two different textures, right? So the outside, crisp,
Crispy.
crunchy. Then the inside is moist, smooth,
Get a close up. Look at that bite.
you know.
You hear any crunch? I hear
No,
your
this
crunch.
is it. This is it.
And how you find, like how, like,
No,
rate
no,
it?
no. 10
Like-
out of 10 out of 10.
Granny would be happy to hear that. And
Wow.
salt. Now, again, the only thing is with this, like, you can't really taste for salt beforehand. So, as it's a fried good, when you finish, if you know, well, of course, you taste, and then you could also add
Yeah,
your
you could do a
salt.
little something.
I find, yeah,
Yeah,
but we
yeah.
also like salt.
Yeah,
So,
like
that
salt.
could be, yeah.
But for me, it's good. You know.
And it has
It's
the
good.
flavor. That
Yeah.
pimento sauce is peeking through. But remember, I grew up having this as a Sunday side. So, but because it's so versatile, it's plain, it takes flavors really well. You could definitely pair it with a sauce of
Like-
your choice and dip and go.
Honestly, like I feel like this is something you could do as like tapas or like an appetizer.
Correct, and you could add
put
whatever
something. You
on
could
top.
put like something on top of that if you want to put buljol on it, or if you want to
Correct.
put
That
something
would,
else.
That would slap. We have a great base here, so try it. Let us know. Would you try Tannia Accra? Would you try a different ground provision and report back and let us know if you got the same quality? You know, yeah.
I too busy chewing like.
Don't forget, guys, recipe down below in the description. Like, share, follow, subscribe. You know all the good stuff. Stay connected.
Oh yeah, and I gone.